Some cricket news now. The West Indies' hopes of an automatic spot to the 2019 ICC World Cup, took another hit as the Caribbean side went down by 63 runs to Afghanistan in the first of 3 one-day internationals at the Darren Sammy Stadium in St. Lucia on Friday night. The Caribbean men were bundled out for 149 after the visitors had earlier posted 212 for 6. 18-year-old Rashid Khan was man of the match after bagging 7 for 18, the 4th best figures in one-day international history. Shea Hope 35, Alzara Joseph 27, Evan Lewis 21, Jonathan Carter 19 and Ashley Nurse 12 were the West Indians to reach double figures.
I felt in the field, we were a little lethargic, we lack energy. I thought the boys did a reasonable job on the surface, but when we came out of bat, we were just not good. I just didn't think the intent was there when we batted. We tend to bat ourselves in the holes. The batsmen never showed that intent to get the ball away. I think we were 20 odd after the first 10 overs, and for me that's unacceptable. And then we never really gathered momentum. We kept losing wickets in bad stages of the game. And then obviously, when we had a partnership going, we just faltered. It's a situation where the batsmen just need to put their hands up and give a better account of themselves.
Hold on. The Afghanistan opener, Javed Ahmadi, had top scored with 81 for his team, while Gulbuddin Naib contributed a vital 41 from 28 balls. Now, the second ODI will be played on Sunday at the same venue.